Today, you ask these question anyone, what is in trending now? They will gives immediately answer, AI, that is artificial intelligence, and there is term with it, that is prompt engineering, and it's becoming very popular now. You will also hear a lot about this. So today, I'm not going to discuss about what is exactly prompt engineering, because you must have know. So friends, today let's see how to learn prompt engineering at home. Exactly what to learn, where to learn. There's something that say, if there is a will, there is way. Just like that today. Let's go completely step by step. Watch the video till the end. It is very informative. Then you can finally decide whether you want to learn or not. So let's start our journey. We will make it 2 sections. First is theory and second is practical. Section first contains all theoretical topics. If you have never studied about it before, then don't study it too deep. Just understand the basic concepts properly. Otherwise, you will not understand how artificial intelligence works and how to prompts works. So carefully look at first section. Practice with AI libraries. Theory is essential, but practice makes perfect. Start using AI libraries like Hugging Face Transformers, OpenAI like GPT 3.5 and 4, Google AI chatbot like a Bard to all implement your knowledge. Experiment with pre-trained models and play around with different prompts to see how they affect the outputs. Participate in challenges. Engage with the community and participate in prompt engineering challenges on platforms like Kaggle or GitHub. These challenges provide a real-world scenarios and test your prompt engineering abilities. Don't be discouraged if you face challenges. Learning from failures is an integral part of growth. Contribution. Contributing to open source projects is an excellent way to showcase your prompt engineering skills and abilities. Collaborate with experienced developers. Check out repositories related to NLP and AI on GitHub and see how you can improve and extend existing prompts. Build your own projects. It's time to unleash your creativity. Build your own prompt engineering projects. Identify problems you're passionate about and design prompts that generate meaningful solutions. Whether it's text summarization, creative writing, or even game development, the possibilities are endless. Congratulations, you've now completed the step-by-step process to learn prompt engineering from the comfort of your home. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and mastering prompt engineering will take a time, dedication. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't hesitate to seek help from the vibrant online AI community. With hard work and perseverance, you can become a skilled prompt engineer. Make a significant impact in the world of artificial intelligence. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in prompt engineering. Also, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on artificial technology and personal growth. Until next time, keep learning, keep enjoying your life. This is David, signing off.